To install apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series, you do have available options, which are you can either use the Galaxy Store or you can install apps through the Play Store. So let's navigate through the Galaxy Store. So I'm going to tap on the Galaxy Store here. From here, you can navigate around and install any app of your choice. You could also search to find the app that you want to install. To search for an app, you go at the top right hand corner over here and search for the app that you want. All right, so I'm going to tap on that search. You can see down here, you can type and search for the app that you want. All right, that is it for the Galaxy app. Now let's tap on the Play Store here to search or to install an app. So if I tap on the Play Store, you can just navigate around to find an app or just look at what is available, or you can search for the app that you want. Now down here you will find the search button. Tap on it to search for the app that you want to install. So over here, let's install this app, King James Bible. So I'm going to tap on that and search for it. Now, there are several King James Bible versions here, so I'll just tap on this. Now when you find the app that you want to install, just tap on the install. You can see now that it is installing and it has finished installing. And if you look here, it says open. You can uninstall the app if you want to, but let's open what we just installed. So you just tap there. So from here, you can just go ahead to allow to open the app. So let's go with that. You can now go ahead and do the setup. Continue with Google, continue with WhatsApp. You just do the setting. Now this is how to install app from either Galaxy Store or Play Store. If you have questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.